Welcome to our step-by-step guide on migrating SAP Data Services ETL jobs to Azure Data Factory. Today, we'll explore how to transform your data processes with confidence, leveraging the power of Azure's cloud-based solutions. First, let's assess your current workflows. Begin by understanding the existing SAP Data Services jobs. Identify all dependencies, data sources, and destinations. Next, design your target architecture. As you plan your Azure environment, consider how data sources will integrate, where data will be stored, and what transformation needs are required. Now it's time to recreate your data flows in Azure Data Factory. Utilize native ADF components such as data flows, mapping data flows, and copy activities to rebuild your processes. Once your data flows are set up, it's essential to test and validate them. Run comprehensive test cases to ensure that your ADF pipelines perform at least as well as, if not better than, your previous SAP Data Services jobs. Finally, focus on optimization and monitoring. After migration, optimize your pipelines for both performance and cost. Use Azure Monitoring and ADF's built-in tools to keep a close eye on your processes. By following these steps, you can transition to Azure with confidence, unlocking the full potential of cloud-based ETL pipelines. Ready for a more detailed roadmap? Reach out to us, and let's chat about how we can support your migration journey.